morning we are learning about opportunities for veterans to learn new skills. The College Career and Apprenticeship Workshop is happening soon at a community college near you. We have two special guests this morning. We have Dr. Cynthia Anthony. She's the president of Lawson State Community College, and David Bobo. He is the director of communications at Jefferson State. Good morning. Thank you for being here.
Good morning. Thank you for having us.
Good morning.
This is an exciting opportunity for military veterans to learn something new. So tell us exactly what these workshops entail.
Well, the workshops will provide an opportunity for our military, our veterans, and even their families to understand the resources that are available to them and how to access those resources. The Alabama Community College system has long been a supporter of our veterans, and the service that they provide is key and vital to our state. So we want to make sure that they understand what's available to them and to help them to access these services and resources through all of our colleges.
Certainly. Is this something that somebody transitioning out of the military could possibly come to one of these workshops and find a new path? Is that who they're for, or really anyone who has service or their families?
Right. It's active military are welcome, veterans, their families. So really anyone who has, as a veteran in their family, is really a great workshop to come to and really see what's available. So
you talked about different services, different resources available. What are some examples of some of those?
Sure. Well, there's really so many. There are so many from if you want to just enroll at the college, certainly financial aid, but there's so many other services, mental health services, anything that apprenticeships, work-based work opportunities. So there's so many things. And in fact, that's really why we're having this workshop. There are so many that we really feel like there's so many people in our area that really are unaware of all of the benefits that are available. So these workshops will really provide a wealth of information that will kind of go through all of those things and really let you know what is the best for you to hop in and participate in.
Certainly, and you might discover some opportunities you didn't know existed.
Sure.
Yes.
So it's an opportunity to come and see what's available, maybe spark your interest in something new, certainly. Your two colleges are having these workshops on different days. When is yours happening, Dr. Anthony?
Our workshop is on February 23rd from 10 till 2 with lunch being provided for the participants.
Certainly, and at Jeff State?
Ours is February 17th. Also, lunch is being provided. If you will go to just jeffersonstate.edu/veterans, there's a registration form. We invite you to come, and if your family is available to come, please bring them as well.
And that information is on your screen right now. This is what that page is going to look like, so you can see that, get prepared, and maybe send this information to a veteran in your life, a military family in your life, because they may not know that some of these services, these resources are available. What do you think people don't know but should about the Alabama Community College system?
I think they don't know how committed we are to serving the citizens of the state of Alabama. Our community college system institutions have long been military-friendly institutions and designated as such. Often people don't know the vast array of opportunities that are available, whether we're talking short-term workforce training or associate degrees or certificates, and then the supplemental resources that are available, counseling services, tutoring services, all of those referrals that we're able to make to entities like Veterans Affairs or mental health resources or other counseling services outside of the institution. The mission of our institutions is simply to provide quality, accessible educational resources and training to the citizens, and that's what we want people to know about the Alabama Community College system, particularly as we celebrate our 60th anniversary as a system.
Certainly, yes, that there are opportunities available, and they may not look like what you think. I think some people have an idea of what a local community college can offer, but in fact, especially in recent years, those services, those resources have expanded.
Absolutely.
And a lot of online as well, that there are ways to get a certificate, to get that training while you're working too.
Absolutely. It's not just going back and taking, getting a 2-year degree. There's so many options. You mentioned, short-term work certificates. we have a program we call Fast Track, and it's programs that are not on a semester calendar. They're from 6 weeks to 6 months, and those are all in-demand jobs. So if you finish that program in 6 weeks, you're going to have a job waiting on you when you're finished. So there's so many things that I feel like, you know, you think of college, a lot of people think certain one thing. It is so different. There's so many opportunities, short-term credentials for specific, you know, classes. So there's so many opportunities. I would recommend if you're looking to go back to work, if you're looking to expand your career, don't miss these workshops.
Certainly. And the dates one more time.
Lawson State Community College, February 23rd.
Wonderful.
Jefferson State Community College, February 17th.
All right. Thank you both so much.
Thank
We
you.
appreciate your time.
Thank
this
you.
Thank you
morning.
for having us.
Thank you for
Of
having
course.
us.